How to add mail account on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add mail account on your iPhone. Now, your mail account can be of any account. It can be your Gmail, it can be your Yahoo, it can be your Outlook, it can be anything. So let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is open up your settings. After you've opened up your settings, scroll down till you find the mail app. If you do not find it right here, head over to the apps section, and under your app section, simply head over to the mail. Now under here, you will see mail accounts. Tap on that, and now simply tap on add account. Now from here, choose which account you want to add. If you want to add your iCloud, you can tap on iCloud. If you want to add a Google, tap on Google, and so on and on. I'll just tap on Google. Now simply type in your email and then tap on next, and then type on your password, and you're good to go. So that is how you can add mail account on your iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.